guys, it's Felix here, and this is my new account, AtlantaHero6P at gmail.com. So this is the blizzard. I want to just stand in the snow, just gently. Oh my gosh, I'm getting some in my face. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot, guys! Oh shoot! That's too deep. Oh shit! So guys, this is how we got this blizzard. Oh my gosh! I'm like, my ears, it hurts. Oh my gosh, we still have our pumpkins. So how old is that? Oh shoot! Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm getting soaking wet. Oh, it's a freaking blizzard! Oh my gosh! Ow, I hate getting hit a lot! Ouch! Oh shoot! Oh shoot, guys! It's so cold! Oh shoot! It's so freaking cold! Oh shoot, a pumpkin! Shoot! Look at the pumpkin! Okay, guys, see you next time!